Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create draw text art on Bing Chat. ASCII art, a creative form that employs text characters, has gained popularity thanks to command line tools and software. With Bing, you can generate ASCII art by providing a prompt. For instance, you can request something like create ASCII art of a person standing next to a car and see the magic happen. Keep in mind that this feature might have some quirks. While it's great for simple prompts, like the example I mentioned, it might not always work as expected. For more complex requests, like ASCII art of an iPad next to a person, the result might not be as accurate. Remember, the arts generator's results can vary, sometimes producing unexpected or even unintended images. So, while it's a creative tool, it's always a good idea to manage your expectations. Thanks for joining us today. Go ahead and explore the world of text art with Bing Chat. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.